Hey everyone, this is Rana.
And this is Scott.
And we're here from Workato's product marketing team.
August is a season of change, and we've seen some exciting changes with Workato.
Let's dive right into the product updates for this month. We're excited to share that the new, much anticipated experience for creating recipes is finally here.
In the 2 weeks that has been out, we have received overwhelmingly positive feedback on how it has made it easy for first-time users to pick up and quickly create automations.
Check out the videos on our YouTube channel with highlights of this new experience and learn how it can help your team create automations faster together.
The new experience is a huge update, but there's even more to share. One trend we've noticed is that a lot more work is getting done in Microsoft Teams. A lot more. This has led to more teams using custom applications to bring data from their CRM, HR, and other apps into Teams for efficiency and speed.
Now we've made it easy for you to build your very own custom app for Teams to provide personalized experiences without code. Sales teams can build a sales bot that speeds up deal approvals and helps you log calls in your CRM. HR teams can build an HR bot that employees can interact with to find benefits information and more.
Each department can control the branding, core functionality, and scope of their apps.
Let's switch gears and talk about connector updates. We recently made an update to our SQL Server Connector.
Microsoft SQL Server is a popular database for data warehousing to consolidate data and do advanced analytics. Setting up data pipelines that can handle any speed and size of data is important, but with the rising adoption of SaaS applications, the ability for a data pipeline to adapt to changing source schemas is increasingly important.
The new Replicate action in SQL Server solves this by automatically reconciling schema mismatches. This makes it easier and faster to set up data pipelines for ELT, as you don't need to manually define the schema in SQL Server. And once the pipeline is set up, you don't have to worry about losing data or broken integrations when fields are added or removed from the source application. We also made performance and ease of use improvements to the NetSuite Connector.
Our product team has optimized the NetSuite Connector so that the bulk load action is 50% faster. We've also made loading records with references or lookups to other objects easier. Let's say you need to upsert Salesforce opportunities into NetSuite. Previously, many steps were required to find the internal NetSuite account ID to correlate to new NetSuite orders. Now it's as simple as loading the opportunity as is with its external IDs.
We also launched a new connector for Celonis. Celonis mines your app data to provide a visual representation of your processes, like this procurement process shown here. In this example, Celonis identifies that price mismatches add an additional 7 days to your procurement process.
Once Celonis identifies the price mismatch, it sends an alert to Workato to fix the issue. Workato automatically reconciles the mismatched product prices by connecting to Coupa and NetSuite and updating them, reducing the delay to the procurement process.
You can find more information over on our newly designed product hub at product.workato.com, along with past product updates, best practices, and upcoming webinars. That wraps it up for this month's updates. Thanks for tuning in.
Hope to see you all in the next one.